So how can you forward a text message to email using your Android? Let's get started. So you might have multiple messages clients which you use, but if this is the case and you have something that you want to share to email, well, there are some basic options. For example, you might just hold down on the text bubble and click on copy text. You can copy it like that and just paste it into a brand new email and just send it as a message. Or you can just hold down on it as well and click on forward, and you can forward it to your contacts, but most likely it's going to be just to another phone number. So the forwarding options are not really integrated into the mail right away. So as I say, you can either copy the text or take a screenshot and send it over the messages or the emails. However, if you want to get a little bit more professional with it, you can get an app which is called SMS Forwarder. And this app allows you to set up conditions, right? That you have the ability to make sure that whenever you receive a notification or like an SMS, you can add a filter and you can push your notifications to another phone number or email address. So this is an application which is a good choice if you really use it a lot, because it takes a while to get everything set up and perhaps you will need to pay for some additional features, but it gives you the ability to do exactly that. You can set up conditions like that and share your SMS messages with emails or other people. Now, you need to be careful with it, as obviously there might be some issues involved. So just like with everything, pay attention to reputable sources. Make sure you don't forward it where you don't want to. But generally, using this app, you have the ability to set up a filter and send it over to some emails, right? So that's how it generally works. Either you copy and send it manually or set up this kind of filter. But it is going to be about it. I honestly hope that I could help you with this issue. Let me know below in the comments what you think. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later.